Oasis TV, the network in service to humanity.
Kids Musical Yoga, Kids Musical Yoga with Fairy Princess Andriana.
What do you see? What do you see in the big green jungle? What do you see? What do you see in the big green jungle? Ryan, what do you see in the jungle?
I see an elephant.
You see an elephant where?
Behind you. Behind you.
Oh!
There's an elephant
There's an
Pepper.
elephant behind me. Wow. The elephant has a really long nose.
Elephants have really long noses called trunks.
Do you want to be an elephant? And your arm can be like a big, long trunk.
Elephants are big and some